Imagine stepping off a spacecraft, and instead of landing, you just keep falling. No ground, no solid surface, no impact. Just clouds. Endless clouds. You're falling into Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. So here's the real question. How long would you survive? Seconds? Minutes? Instant death? The answer isn't simple, and it's not quick. Because Jupiter doesn't kill you immediately. It dismantles you, layer by layer. First, let's clear something up. You cannot stand on Jupiter. There is no surface. Jupiter is mostly hydrogen and helium. It's more like a star that failed to ignite. So when you enter its atmosphere, you don't hit the ground, you pass through it. At first, it might not feel catastrophic. You're high above the visible cloud tops. The planet below looks like a giant ocean of swirling paint. Orange, white, brown, beautiful. But Jupiter is already working against you. Its gravity is more than twice Earth's. If you weigh 80 kilograms here, you'd feel like over 180 there. Your body feels heavier, your movements slower, you're breathing harder. And you just started. As you descend, the winds hit you. Jupiter has storms larger than Earth itself. The Great Red Spot? It's been raging for over 300 years. Winds can exceed 600 kilometers per hour. That's stronger than the most violent hurricanes ever recorded on Earth. Lightning flashes around you, but not normal lightning. These bolts are more powerful than anything our planet produces. You're still falling, still conscious, still wondering, when does it actually kill me? Not yet. Because this is only the atmosphere's outer skin. About 50 to 100 kilometers deeper, pressure begins to rise dramatically. On Earth, we live under 1 atmosphere of pressure. Jupiter stacks pressure like layers of steel. 10 atmospheres, 20, 50. Your chest struggles to expand. Your lungs fight against the crushing weight. The air becomes thicker than anything you've ever experienced. And the temperature? It keeps climbing. Boiling point, then beyond. Water wouldn't exist here. Not as liquid, not as vapor. Just intense heat and compression. And you are still falling. If you enjoy exploring what would actually happen to your body in extreme places like this, subscribe now. Because Jupiter isn't even close to the worst place in the universe. Now let's keep falling. Hundreds of kilometers down. The pressure becomes catastrophic. Hundreds of times Earth's pressure, then thousands. Your body wasn't built for this. Bones don't shatter instantly. You don't explode. You get compressed. Every pocket of air inside you collapses. Your lungs can no longer function. Your circulation fails, and consciousness fades. But Jupiter still isn't finished. Because the deeper you go, hydrogen, the lightest element in the universe, transforms. Under extreme pressure, it becomes metallic hydrogen, a state of matter so strange, we can barely recreate it on Earth. It behaves like a liquid metal, conducting electricity, generating magnetic fields, and surrounding you on all sides. By this point, you're long gone, but you still haven't reached the core. Deep inside Jupiter, scientists believe there may be a dense core, possibly rocky, possibly partially dissolved. Temperatures may exceed 20,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the sun, but no human would ever reach that depth. You would be crushed and incinerated long before. Not in one dramatic moment, but in stages. First gravity, then wind, then pressure, then heat. Jupiter doesn't attack, it overwhelms. So how long would you survive? If somehow you were protected from radiation and initial impact, you might remain conscious for a short descent. But realistically, between seconds and a few minutes. Not because you hit the planet, but because the planet closes in around you. Until your body simply cannot exist within its layers. You wouldn't leave a crater. You wouldn't leave remains. You would simply vanish into the storm. From Earth, Jupiter looks calm, just a bright star in the sky. But it is not a place you land on. It is a place you sink into, forever. And if you think being crushed inside Jupiter is terrifying, wait until you see what happens if you fall into a black hole. That video is on your screen right now.